Hello guys, welcome to EduSuccess 2 Cross. So today we will solve problems on the series and parallel combination of inductances and capacitances. Yesterday we saw the derivation of a series and parallel combination of capacitances. So we will use those concepts to solve few numericals in today's session. So if you have not gone through previous videos, please go through that. I will share the link in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the session. So first question says that three inductances of 4 Henry each are connected in series. What is the equivalent inductance? So we can draw the figure in this manner. Here three inductances are connected in series and the inductance value here is of all the inductance is 4 Henry. So here L equivalent will be, as we know that when inductances are connected in series, so inductances value will be added. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 that is equals to 12 Henry. The second numerical says that determine the equivalent capacitance across the terminal AB as shown in figure and also find the charging time to charge these capacitances by a steady direct current of a constant magnitude of 10 ampere. So we will start solving this numerical from right hand side. So we can see here C1 and C2 are connected in parallel. So the combination will be C equivalent 1 is equals to C1 plus C2 that is equals to 5 plus 3 microfarad. That will give us 8 microfarad. And now we can see this combination will come in series with C3. So then C equivalent 2 is equals to C equivalent 1 into C3 upon C equivalent 1 plus C3. So that will give us 8 micro into 8 micro upon 8 micro plus 8 micro. So that is equals to 64 micro upon 16, that is equals to 4 microfarad. So next we can see now this 4 microfarad will come in parallel with 4 microfarad, or we can say C4. So C equivalent 3 is equals to C equivalent 2 parallel with C4, or we can say 4 microfarad plus 4 microfarad. So that will give us 8 microfarad. Now we can see this 8 microfarad will come in parallel with 8 microfarad. So we will get here 8 microfarad plus 8 microfarad. So that will give us 16 microfarad. So this is the answer for this. The equivalent will be 16 microfarad for this combination of the circuit. So next we have to find the charging time to charge these Okay, so now we have obtained equivalent capacitance for this combination as 16 microfarad. So it is asking the charging time. So charging time T is equals to Q upon I. So Q we know CV upon I. So C is here 16 micro into V is given as 100 upon current is 10 ampere. Solving this we will get 160 microsecond. So this is the charging time that is needed to charge the capacitances. Okay, so next question says here three pure inductances as shown in the figure are connected. Find the equivalent inductance. So we have to find the equivalent inductance. So here we can see here 4 Henry and 4 Henry. These two are connected in parallel. So first of all we will simplify this. So here we are having 2 Henry. Then here we will have 4 Henry connected in parallel with 4. So that will give 4 into 4 plus 4, that is equals to 16 by 8. So 2 Henry we will get here, and then it is connected in series with 1 Henry. This is the terminal Y and this is the terminal X. So now we can see 2 Henry, 2 Henry and 1 Henry are connected in series. So L equivalent is equals to 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is equals to 5 Henry. So this question says to find the equivalent capacitance across the terminal AB. So we have to find CAB. So we can see here this 2 and this 2 farad capacitances are connected in parallel. So here this combination will give us this is the terminal A and this is the terminal B. Here 6 farad we are having, and here we are getting 2 farad parallel with 2 farad. So for capacitances, for parallel connection we have to add these two. So it will give us 4 farad. Now here we are having 2 farad and here we are having 4 farad. So now we can see this 4 farad and this 4 farad are connected in series. So now circuit will be replaced in this manner. Here we are having 6 farad and here we are having 2 farad. Here we can see this capacitance value as 4 farad in series with a 4 farad. So we will get 4 into 4 upon 4 farad plus 4 farad. So that will give us 16 upon 8, that is equals to 2 farad. Next, we can see here 2 farad and 2 farad are connected in parallel. So we'll get here 6 farad. Then here we will get 2 farad in parallel with 2 farad. So for capacitances, these will be added. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 farad. Now this 6 farad and 4 farad are connected in series. So here we will get C equivalent is equals to 6 into 4 upon 6 plus 4. So that is equals to 24 upon 10, or we can say 2.4 farad. This question says in the figure a parallel combination of 10 millihenry and 20 millihenry is connected in parallel. A time varying voltage is applied across the inductances and at any time instant, and the total current supplied by the time varying source is 25 ampere. Obtain the value of instantaneous current through each of the inductances. So we have to find the value of I1 and I2. So here let us assume the voltage across this terminal as V. So here V will be voltage across inductance L1 and L2 will be same, that is equals to V. So here V is equals to L1 into dI1 upon dt. From here we will get I1 is equals to 1 upon L1 integrating V dt. This is first equation. Second equation is V is equals to L2 into dI2 upon dt. So that is equals to I2 is equals to 1 upon L2 integrating V dt. This second equation. So now divide first by second. So this will give us I1 upon I2 is equals to 1 upon L1 integrating V dt upon 1 upon L2 integrating V dt. Now integrating V dt will be cancelled from both numerator and denominator. So we will get L2 by L1. So here I1 upon I2 is equals to L2 by L1. So there is a first relation. So here this is equation 3, and next from question we can see here I1 plus I2 is given as 25 ampere. Now you can put the value of L2 and L1 in this equation. So I1 by I2 is equals to L2 is given as 20 milli and L1 is given as 10 milli. So that will give us 2. Okay, so I1 by I2 is 2, or I1 is equals to 2I2. So this you can substitute in this equation. So here I1 is equals to 2I2 plus I2 is equals to 25. So here we will get 3I2 is equals to 25, or we can get here I2 is equals to 25 by 3, or we can get 8.33 ampere here as I2 value. Now I1 is equals to 2I2, that is equals to 2 into 8.33. So that will give us 16.67 ampere. Okay, so this numerical says to find the equivalent value of a capacitance across the terminal XY. So here we can see 3 farad, 2 farad and 1 farad capacitances are connected in parallel. So that will give us C equivalent is equals to 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is equals to 6 farad. So now the circuit will be replaced in this manner. Here we will have 6 farad, then we will have 12 farad, and here we are having 10 farad. Here we are having 10 farad. So now here we are having X, and this is the terminal Y. So now we can see here 6 and 12 farad are connected in series. So its equivalent will be 6 into 12 upon 6 plus 12. So that will give us 4 farad. And now equivalent value, final equivalent value will be this 10 farad in parallel with 4 farad, or we can add them up, 14 farad. This is the equivalent value of capacitances across the terminal XY for this circuit. Thanks for watching. Hope you all understood each and every questions. So if you have any doubt related to any questions, you can comment down below. I will try solving those doubt. So please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, so bye. Meet in the next session.